Today we're going to be dividing 4-digit numbers by 2-digit numbers. We're still going to be using our partial quotients like we did yesterday, and now we're going to be checking our answer using multiplication. So to start, I've written 3,240 inside my partial quotient symbol, and I put 10 because that's my divisor on the outside. I'm going to start in my thousands place. I see I have 3 thousands. I can't split 3 thousands into 10 equal groups, so I'm going to look to see how many hundreds I have. In my entire number, I have 32 hundreds. Well, let me see, 32 hundreds, I can split that up into groups, into 10 groups. So I'm thinking 10 times 300, let's see, 1 times 3 is 3, 10 times 100 is 1,000, so 10 times 300 is 3,000. So I'm going to put 3,000 here. This is saying that if we have 10 groups, each group is going to get 300 of the object, and we'd be crossing out a total of 3,000. I'm going to subtract. 0 minus 0 is 0. 4 minus 0 is 4. 2 minus 0 is 2. 3 minus 3 is 0. So now I have 240 left of this object, this item. Well, I'm putting 240 items into 10 equal groups. Well, I'm thinking how much can go into each group? If I can't split up two hundreds anymore, but I see 24 tens, I can split 24 tens into groups of 10. So 24 tens I can write as 20. 10 times 20 is 200. So let's see, I have 10 groups, 20 items in each group, so I'm crossing out 200 items. 0 minus 0 is 0, 4 minus 0 is 4, 2 minus 2 is 0. Oh, now I have 40 items left. 40 items split into 10 groups. Oh, that's 4 items for each group. 10 times 4 is 40. I'm going to subtract. 40 minus 40 is 0. Oh, so I have 0 left over. I'm going to add these together. 300 plus 20 plus 4 is 324. So I think my answer is 324. I'm going to check my answer by going over here. If you don't want to draw the arrow, you don't have to. But I'm going to write my quotient, which is 324. And I'm going to multiply this by my dividend. So I'm doing the opposite. Before I had divided by 10 to get my quotient. Now I'm going to multiply these two by 10, multiply this by 10 to get my starting number, my dividend. Let's see. 0 times 4 is 0. 0 times 2 is 0. 0 times 3 is 0. Now I'm multiplying by the 1 in the tens place. So I'm putting a 0 in the ones place. 1 times 4 is 4. 1 times 2 is 2. 1 times 3 is 3. I'm going to add 0, 4, 2, 3. 3,240. Oh, that's the number I started with. So my answer, 324, is correct. Let's try the next one.